Hello and welcome back to Autocar, the channel where we bring you in-depth insights into the latest cars on the market. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Hyundai i20, a car that continues to redefine the standards of the premium hatchback segment. Let's start with the exterior design. The 2025 Hyundai i20 showcases a bold and dynamic look that's sure to turn heads. At the front, you'll find Hyundai's signature parametric grille, flanked by sleek LED headlamps with integrated DRLs. The aggressive bumper design and sharp creases add a sporty flair. On the sides, the aerodynamic silhouette, diamond-cut alloy wheels, and blacked-out pillars give the i20 a modern and edgy vibe. The rear doesn't disappoint either, with Z-shaped LED taillights connected by a reflective strip and a dual-tone bumper for added character. Hyundai has clearly taken great care in making the i20 not just a car, but a statement on the road. Moving inside, the cabin of the 2025 i20 is where sophistication meets technology. The dual-tone interior theme is complemented by soft-touch materials on the dashboard and door panels. The centerpiece is a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a similarly sized touchscreen infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The ambient lighting, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and premium upholstery elevate the overall experience. Space is another strong suit of the i20, with ample legroom and headroom in both rows, making it a comfortable ride for long journeys. But it's not just about aesthetics. Hyundai has packed the i20 with features that enhance convenience and safety. These include wireless charging, a sunroof, automatic climate control, and a Bose sound system. Safety is top-notch with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, and a 360-degree camera, making it one of the most feature-rich hatchbacks in its class. Now, a little history for the enthusiasts out there. The Hyundai i20 first debuted in 2008 and has consistently evolved to meet the demands of a global audience. The 2025 model represents the pinnacle of this evolution, blending cutting-edge design with advanced technology. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Hyundai i20 offers exceptional value for money. The base variant starts at 7.5 lakh rupees, while the fully loaded top-end variant goes up to 12.5 lakh rupees. Hyundai has ensured that buyers get more than what they pay for in terms of design, features, and performance. So, there you have it. The 2025 Hyundai i20 is a car that sets new benchmarks in the hatchback segment. Whether you're drawn to its striking design, high-tech interior, or impressive history, this car has something for everyone. Thanks for tuning into Autocar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. We'll see you in the next one.